This video is made possible by our loyal Patreon supporters. Visit patreon.com/Psychetruth.
Hello everyone, it's Corrina, and in this video I want to talk to you about meditation, which is a really big word for something that's actually quite small and quite simple. And sometimes we can just feel a little overwhelmed or a little intimidated. So I just want to talk a little bit in this video about why we meditate, how to do it properly, and hopefully just give you some encouragement to set aside a little bit of time each day for meditation. So before we do anything, I want you to check in with yourself and notice how you are sitting right now. What is your default? And chances are your default when you're not paying attention is something like this. You're hunched over, you're slouched over, sometimes we're leaning forward, and basically our entire rib cage, lungs, and digestive tract are just folded and collapsed on each other. So not only can this cause back pain, is this terrible for our posture, but it also suppresses our ability to take a really nice deep breath. And one simple concept that I encourage you to take with you is that shallow breaths and limited breathing trigger anxiety. And the reason is that all of the cells in your body that thrive on oxygen and need that oxygen, if they start to notice that they're not getting as much oxygen as they'd like, it kind of starts to trigger this internal panic. And it's one of the big reasons that anxiety has become so common for so many of us, partly because we're just running a million miles a minute throughout our day all the time, and partly because we're just not breathing deeply. And if we're slouched over, hunched over, then we're kind of making it even more difficult for our body to take those really nice deep breaths. So, when we are thinking about relaxing our body, trying to calm our nervous system, and trying to signal to our subconscious and our autonomic nervous system, or the nervous system that we don't voluntarily control, one of the best ways to do that is with our breath. So, in meditation, we want to be able to sit up nice and tall and have this nice entire region of the rib cage and the lungs, all the way down to our diaphragm, open, full, and able to take a nice deep breath. Now, sitting this way, if you're not used to it, can actually be really challenging. Even though this is often called easy seat in yoga, if you're not used to sitting this way, it will feel uncomfortable. So here's a couple of ideas to help you out. Number one, you can elevate your seat. So what I have here is a little meditation cushion. This one has Millet Hulls in it. And basically the idea is that if you elevate your seat and you can bring your knees below your hips, it makes it easier to sit up straight. It makes it easier to elongate the spine. So, I'm just gonna sit aside here for a second and then sit up onto this cushion. So just settling in here on my yoga cushion. And it's really important for you to be comfortable. So even if sitting like this isn't comfortable for you, you could be up against a wall so that you just have a little bit of support for your back behind you. Or you can also do this just sitting in a normal chair. You don't have to be in the cross-legged position in order to have a very effective and calming meditation. So already I am feeling this is definitely much more comfortable for me. Sitting up on the cushion, can feel how much easier it is to just sit up straight and feel that my entire spine is nice and tall and long. Sometimes they'll cue to think about a string pulling straight up on your head. So you're really trying to elongate the spine as much as possible. And having that nice long spine is a really important part of meditation, just kind of clearing all of the passageways. Because all of the important messages that move from our brain throughout the rest of our body travel through the spine. So nice lifted open spine here. And coming back to that concept that I mentioned earlier, that compressed breathing or limited breathing triggers anxiety. On the other hand, slow, deep breathing stimulates calmness, stimulates the parasympathetic nervous system or the rest and digest nervous system. So, finding your comfortable seat, finding your long, tall spine, it's nice to begin by just letting your breathing be natural. And just notice how sitting this way already helps you to take a deeper, fuller, and more calming breath. In meditation, we often will work to bring our focus to an object or maybe to our breath. And the breath is a great thing to start with because it's free and everyone has it. And also when we think about how that rushed, slow, shallow breathing makes us feel anxious and worried, it's nice to slow the breath and deepen the breath to help induce that calm state. So here in your comfy seat, you can bring your hands to your knees if that's comfortable, letting the shoulders really fall away from the ears. So you really want to make sure that you're not bringing the shoulders up, you're really dropping them down. So the arms can drop by the sides with your palms either facing down or facing up, and facing them up kind of rotates the shoulder around. So I find this to be a really nice kind of modification for myself to keep my palms facing up. You can take a little mudra here if you would like. So here you can keep your eyes open, gazing at me. Or you can close your eyes and really start to tune into your breath and noticing the sensation of your breath in and out. Your lung capacity actually goes all the way down below your belly button. So visualize your breath filling all the way down. And really think about taking the deepest breath that you've taken all day. You can even bring a hand to the abdomen and feel as you take this nice deep breath that the abdomen expands. And it almost seems like you can take in more air than you thought you could have. A lot of times we are breathing so rushed and so shallowly that just this feeling of taking a slow, deep breath can have really powerful changes on us. Even for myself already, just sitting here doing this video, I can feel that I've just kind of dropped into a much more calm state of mind. So here, focusing on your breath, thinking about taking nice, deep, long breaths, and really extending your exhale so that it's longer than your inhale. And these long, slow, extended exhales are another little kind of trick we can use to trigger our nervous system into that parasympathetic state or rest and digest state. So inhaling nice and deeply and exhaling even more slowly. Continuing with this breath. And if you feel that you start to become uncomfortable in your seat, totally fine. Shake your feet out, reposition, maybe switch which leg is on top. Staying in this calm space and breathing deeply is much more important than actually staying in one position and trying to not move your body. Keeping your mind calm and really releasing any judgment that comes up is another important element. So as you sit here trying to focus on your breath, you'll probably notice that the brain just starts to wander around, and suddenly all of these other things start popping into your mind. A laundry list, a to-do list, a grocery list, there's a million things, but just for right now, notice that distraction and then bring your focus back to your breath. All those distractions will still be there for you as soon as you're done with your meditation. So sometimes people can feel like, I can't meditate. I don't know if I'm doing it right. I always get distracted. But actually, the practice of meditation is getting distracted. And if you didn't get distracted, then you wouldn't really be a human. So let go of the judgment on yourself that you might have when you notice yourself getting distracted, and know that the benefits of meditation really come from getting distracted. And then intentionally bringing your focus back in to either an object of meditation or your breath. And if focusing on your breath feels really difficult, really challenging, then maybe you find an object to focus on. So this could be my face here in this video. This could be maybe a little figurine or statue or anything that you just can bring your focus onto. And if it's something that has meaning to you or emotional meaning to you, then I think that makes it a little bit easier to focus on. But the idea here is simply that you are breathing deeply and slowly, that you're working on bringing some intention to those unintentional behaviors. So our breath, our mind, our thinking, instead of just being distracted by a million things, we're practicing our focus and keeping our focus either internal or on our object of meditation. So here I'm actually feeling I need to switch my legs. So I'm gonna just switch here, readjust a little bit. And I'm going to go ahead and conclude this video here. If you've been joining me for these deep, relaxing breaths together, then you should already be feeling much more calm and much more peaceful than when you clicked on this video a few minutes ago. And if you're feeling like you still want to practice a little bit more meditation, then I encourage you to check out one of our guided meditation videos where somebody actually leads you through either a visualization or through scanning the body and really helping you sink into this meditative state. Or you can get out a timer and set a little timer for yourself and just spend 3 minutes in silence focusing on your breath. And I think 3 minutes is a really good thing to start with because it feels really reasonable. And because once you're sitting there focusing on your breath, it can start to feel like time goes by really slow. So start with just 3 minutes. And even if you just stay with 3 minutes, know that is still a wonderful meditation. And if you can maybe intersperse that throughout your day or any time that you're feeling anxious and overwhelmed, I think that you'll be amazed at how much more inner peace even a short meditation can bring you. And we'll just close here by bringing our hands together. So this is Anjali Mudra. And neuroscientists have found that bringing our hands together this way, so thumbs will come in toward the heart, that just having the hands in this position helps to balance the brain and help us feel more calm. Taking another breath here. Thank you for taking this time for yourself today. I really hope that you're feeling better, and I hope that you will carry this little practice with you into your life and do it as much as possible. Thank you for taking this time today for yourself. I hope that you're feeling better, and I hope that you will join me again soon. I wish you peace, happiness, and a calm state of mind. Namaste. Many of our subscribers don't see our videos. Make sure that you click the notification bell. And if you haven't already, follow us on social media for tips, tutorials, giveaways, and daily inspiration.
Introducing Yoga Plus, offering a free series every month with over 300 different videos. Take control of your health. Work out anytime, anywhere. Yoga Plus. Download now for free.